Well, Wake the Fuck Up for me has a number of different facets. There's a personal joy component to it. I think a lot of people are asleep in their lives right now, and as a result, there's some angst because I see a lot of people asleep. And in my business, there's business opportunities that I think business owners are missing out on, and I'll touch a little bit on that. But around the joy and adventure in people's lives, it was kind of, for me, the wake the fuck up moment was my mom. When she passed away, I was 39 at the time, and she was 76, and I was writing the number down on one of the funeral home forms, and recognized that at 39, if I was lucky enough to be her age when I pass on, my life's half over. And it was that little kick in the ass that I needed to kind of wake up and start looking for ways to have more joy and excitement in my life, and also to do some more stuff, like to have an impact, to affect people, really, at the end of the day. So when I had the opportunity to start to develop the brand, and the question came up about what's the tagline, it's like I couldn't think of anything better than wake the fuck up. Now, around business, I started to look at it, and I've spent 25 years in this business, and I've made a lot of landlords a lot of money. And I've seen lots of tenants have situations where they've been taken advantage of and maybe treated unfairly. And that bothers me because I am a champion for all things great in people. And so one of the things that I've started to look at and have developed over the last 5 or 6 years is a passion around business owners using and owning their place of business. And I think there's a lot of companies out there that haven't woken up to the alternative that it's a great way to build wealth, and they need to wake the fuck up to the opportunity and at least consider it. Is it something for every business? No. There are businesses that need to lease. It's smarter for them to lease than it is for owning. But if you're in a situation, one other stream of income you may be missing out on is the fact that you can pay yourself rent. And all I want is for people to wake up to that alternative and at least listen to an opportunity, or listen or look at how their business could own the place of business. So that's really what it's about for me. That's what wake the fuck up means.